Today's question is, how old should you be to start a career in software development? You won't believe how many people have asked this question anytime we talk about anything software that piques their interest. And the answer is, and will always be, your age does not matter. Let's get real about this for a moment. If you ever thought or considered to change your career path for some reason, no matter how old you are, you only have two choices. One, you either stay with the job that you are unhappy with, or two, you invest a little bit of time to learn something that you like and be able to do it happily for the rest of your life. All right, now back to our software development. Why age does not matter much in this career. But before I get into this argument though, let me just say that yes, the whole industry in general is dominated by young folks who are hungry to make it to Silicon Valley, which I will get back to later in this video. And I know the biases in young versus older developers does exist. However, this shouldn't stop you from becoming a software developer and think that you cannot make it. Trust me, it's a big pie and you can get your share. The one thing you have to understand is that there is a huge demand of software developers and engineers all around the world. Many companies are fighting to get as many as possible developers because there are not enough on the market. So no matter what your age is, companies are willing to hire you as long as you can bring in value to their business. And value here does not necessarily mean money. It could be time savings, culture within the company, or process improvements. So let's say that you are in your late 20s or even over 35 and you want to switch your career into software development. What should you be concerned with before making such a decision? Well, first of all, you need to make sure that this is something that you are really interested in. And second, you need to make sure that you enjoy learning and that you can learn fast. Lastly, you need to start learning right now. Don't push it to tomorrow. You have to start right away. One of the biggest strengths of any developer, in my opinion, is the ability to pick up a new language or skill very fast. And how you do this comes from practice, which of course takes time. So the earlier you start learning, the quicker you can understand different patterns that help you to pick up these skills much faster. But why is it that young developers are preferred? Well, people think that companies prefer fresh out of college developers because they are better. But the truth is, it's not all that. The reasons rather include the fact that younger developers are cheaper to hire and they are also easier to convince to move. Older developers tend to have other ties such as family, and with previous experiences, they tend to require to be paid more than fresh out of college developers. However, this comes with a big cost to a lot of companies. On average, younger developers spend only 2 years at a company, which is crazy because companies are spending so much money training and facilitating developers to only have them leave only after 2 years. So in reality, older developers are the ones with big value, since they tend to stay at the same company for a much longer time. Also, if you are changing careers, that means that you have gained other skills that companies would love to have. This can be people management, financial management, or art. So make sure you find the right path combination in software development with the skills that you've gained throughout previous experiences. For example, you could be an interior designer, and this is absolutely a random pick here. And if you want to switch your career to software development, then maybe being a front-end developer will be more suitable as you have a good understanding of color schemes and what attracts people's attention. So having this combination will definitely be more desirable to companies, and you can use this to your advantage. Or let's say that you are in finance today and you are good with numbers. Then perhaps being a data engineer or a data scientist is best for you, and you could use your previous experiences to advance your career in this path. So the trick here is knowing what your strengths are and applying them to areas of software development. You may be asking yourself where to even start learning how to program. I agree. It can be so overwhelming thinking of all the things that you have to learn. But the reality is there are a few things that you have to learn and understand first. Then other things come as you practice. If you want to start learning, I would recommend starting with database languages such as SQL. And why, you ask? Because it is independent of most of other concepts of software development, and you can learn it and start using SQL skills to help your team build applications. Also, it is inevitable as you will have to learn it anyways if you want to be a full stack developer. If you don't know what all these terms like full stack or SQL are, check in the description. I have put a brief explanation of what these terms are. Once you have the basic understanding of databases, you can move on to learning other fundamental concepts like loops, conditional statements, data structures, and so on. The best part of learning software development today is that there are tons of resources out there to help you learn literally anything and everything that you need to know. For example, you can pick up courses from udemy.com or other similar websites to first learn what is software development and different areas that you might be interested in. Then you can choose other courses to start learning the basics and other advanced topics as well. All right, I just want to be clear here. I'm not affiliated with udemy.com whatsoever. It's just that they have a lot of courses and most of the time they are very cheap. Now back to our question, how old should you start your career in software development? It really depends on what your goals are. If you want to become a software developer, start today. Get a couple books or get online courses and start learning the basic fundamentals. If you have means and time to pursue a degree in college or university, go for it. Just don't let your age limit you from doing what you like. Alright, so this is the end and I hope that you enjoyed my video. If you did, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really makes a difference. I hope to see you in my next video and as always, stay safe.